Hello everyone, welcome to a new day and to a new video. Today in this video I will show you 3 easy DIY gifts that you can give to your best friend or your sister in this new year. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. So let's start the video. Our first DIY are these clay coasters. For this I am using POP or plaster of Paris. Take an old used container, add some POP mixture in it, and you can add some acrylic color in it. Let it dry for at least 24 hours, and after 24 hours the coaster is ready to use. Gift it to your friends or best friend or sisters, they will love it. For the second DIY of this photo frame, we need a cardboard, some photo print of your choice and some acrylic colors. Cut the cardboard according to the photo print and color it with acrylic colors. Now paste the photo print like this, and after this your photo frame is ready to gift. Now time for our third and the easiest DIY. For this we need a mason jar or any empty jar and some color papers. Write your feelings for your best friend or sister on the papers and some good thoughts also. Fold the papers and put in the jar, and we will name it as a happy jar and gift it to your friends and tell them to open it whenever they feel sad and read the papers. This gift will feel happiness in your friend's life. So these are our easy DIY gifts we can make at our home and gift in this new year. So please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.